Portion of the survey, click on the link to open the map of Ashern on Google Maps. There is some preloaded information already in the map. If you'd like to change the background of the map, go to Base Map and choose one of the other options. So I'll choose Satellite here. To zoom in and out, you can either use your mouse or the plus and minus buttons here. To pan around, you simply click and drag. So in order to add your own information, make sure that the community content section is selected. You can tell that it's selected because there is a blue line here. If you would like to turn off some of the other base information, you just do that by clicking these boxes off. So once the community content box is selected, all you have to do is choose either Add Marker or Draw a Line, depending on what you'd like to show. So Add Marker, say we would like to put in the Sharptail Park. Click on Sharptail Park. Put in the name and a description if you like, and click Save. If you'd like to draw a line to show a path or waterway or something of that nature, use the Line tool. Simply click along the path that you'd like to show. To end the line, double-click. And then name your line. You can add a description again if you'd like, and click Save. Everything will save automatically, so once you're finished, all you have to do is exit and your information would be saved.